Today, in this video, I'm going to explain how to delete Apple ID from iPhone and iPad without password and computer without losing data. Open Settings, tap on Apple ID, scroll down and tap on Sign Out. It shows asking password to turn off. Now back to Settings, tap on Screen Time, turn on Screen Time, tap on This is my iPhone, then scroll down and click on Content and Privacy Restrictions. It shows default off. Tap to turn on it. Now click on Share my location, change allow to don't allow. Back to screen time and turn off the screen time. Get back to settings, tap on Apple ID, scroll down and tap on sign out again. Here you see sign out available. Tap on sign out and confirm it, and Apple ID removed successfully without password.
This video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.